Hello, what's up, bro? On this occasion, I will get a trick how to get a Lamborghini very easily. Watch my video, watch it, and don't skip it so you know how to get a Lamborghini easily. The first, you open the browser, type the word Lamborghini into search in your browser. Click the image in your browser. Click the image, click the Lamborghini image you like. Then right click on the image and select save. Then look for the Lamborghini image then that has been saved. If you have found, please right click on the image and select set as desktop background. Congratulations! You have managed to get Lamborghini very easily as your computer screen background. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.